We were never taught that rights don't work unless citizens use them. Wow. A right you don't exercise becomes a right that is easy to be taken away. If you don't defend your freedom of speech, your right to vote, your right to assemble, then tomorrow those rights will exist no more in real life. We were not taught that ignorance is the most expensive tax a nation pays. When citizens don't know their rights, their power, or how the state works, they become easy to rule, easy to manipulate, easy to exploit, and easy to silence. In a real democracy, the citizen is the first office bearer, and leaders are servants hired temporarily to manage what belongs to us. If we don't show up, speak, question, supervise, or demand for accountability, power shifts automatically to those who are willing to misuse it. We were never taught that silence is a political action. Every time you say that's how things are, you have just voted that status quo. Every time you fear to speak, you have empowered one who abuses your silence. Your civic duty is not only to protest, it is to refuse to cooperate with injustice. If the citizens are awake, the government is awake. If the citizens are afraid, the government becomes a predator. If the citizens are divided, the government rules by dividing them more. The government's strength is a reflection of the citizens' awareness. We were never taught that civic duty is daily, not every 5 years. Voting is the beginning, not the end. Active citizenship means questioning budgets, reporting corruption, refusing to be bribed, and demanding fairness. We were never taught that patriotism is not singing an anthem, but protecting your inheritance. Patriotism means guarding public resources the way you guard your home. When public resources are stolen, a real patriotic citizen does not keep quiet.